Hi everyone! In this video today I'm going to be showing you how to use the MultiSites platform to build a website for your dance school. If you're unfamiliar with the MultiSites platform, you've never heard of us, or you've just stumbled across this video, we built MultiSites to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with side hustles to have a professional and effective website for an affordable price. It's only $9 a month. There is a free trial available, and you don't even need your credit card details to give the free trial a go. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and see how it works for you and your small business. So let's get cracking building a website for our dance school. Once you've signed up on the MultiSites platform with your email address and your password, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your markets. So let's go ahead and search for dance school. There it is. There's hundreds of markets to choose from on the MultiSites platform. Perhaps you've stumbled across this video and you don't even have a dance school, you have a different small business or side hustle. We've add different markets every single week, but if you can't quite find the market you're looking for, comment below this video and we will make sure we add it. Great, so let's get cracking and go ahead and select the template for the dance school. Great, so now MultiSites is going to ask me a few basic questions about my websites and my business and literally generates a one-page website for me. So let's go ahead and call this Rochelle's Dance School. And let's put in our city and our state or region. And then we're going to go ahead and select service for this as it's a dancing school service. And we're going to go ahead and click on continue. MultiSites is literally going to work its magic for me and do all the hard work and creates a one-page website for me. There it is. Awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk you through the process, walk you through, give you a little bit of a look and feel of how MultiSites works and how to amend each section. We've tried to make it as easy as possible for you to launch your one-page website. So we have pre-written content for you. We've pre-selected images and all the images are royalty-free, license-free. You don't need to download them. You don't need to pay any fees for them. They're completely free to use. But of course, if the pre-written contents and the images don't quite work for you, you can amend them. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through each section and just show you how easy it is to make amendments. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to know coding, nothing of the sort. So let's go ahead and select the first section at the top. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my email address and I'm going to click on just show email on site. So my email is now displayed in the top right hand corner. So when my potential students come to my website and they want to make contact, they can click on this and it will directly take them to their email app. Let's go ahead and put our phone number in. This again will be displayed on the top right hand corner of our website, and this is a click to call number. So if they click on it, it will directly give you a call. Great. So let's move along to the address. Oops. Great. Now, my address will now be displayed on the top right hand corner of my MultiSites. The awesome thing about it is my customers can literally click on that and it will directly take them to Google Maps and give them directions directly to my business. So let's go ahead and push save and move on to the next section and click on update social links. So over here, I'm going to go ahead and put in our Instagram account and our Twitter account. Feel free to give us a follow. Let us know how the MultiSite service is working for you. If you can make any improvements, add any new features, we'd love to hear your feedback. Now, there is an option for LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. However, if we've missed any other social media platforms, perhaps TikTok, I know a few businesses have jumped on that bandwagon lately. Let us know in the comments below and we will add it. Our social media links are literally displayed on the top right hand corner, the icons, and our customers and potential customers can literally click on those directly and be taken to our social media account so they can give us a follow, see what we're up to. Okay, so let's make that save and let's close this section and move on to the next. As you can see, it's really, really easy. You don't need to know website coding. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need a huge budget to hire a web developer. Great. So now I'm going to go ahead and click on update logo. If you've just recently launched your dance school, congratulations, but perhaps you haven't got a logo just yet, and that's completely okay. Multi-sites will literally display your name here, and it still looks really professional. However, if you have got a website, a logo designed, you can go ahead and click on browse and update your logo here. If you don't have a huge budget for a logo, but you really want one, I do recommend that you check out the Canva service, canva.com. There are some really awesome free logos available to use on that website. Once we've uploaded, we're going to go ahead and click save and move along. So perhaps the colors on this website that we've pre-selected for you just don't quite work for you. Although I really like this, it looks really clean and neat. So I probably would keep these colors, but perhaps they don't quite work for you. You want something a little bit more bold or to suit your business branding. You can go ahead and select this paint tin over here. And over here, we can browse through different color palettes and see what works for us. Um, if there's no color palettes that you have in mind and you can't quite find one, even though we're adding more every single week, comment below this video and let us know and we will add it. So I am a big fan of purple. I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Looks really great. Now we're going to go ahead and update this section over here. Again, we've pre-written copy for you. We've pre-selected images. We wanted to make the whole website as easy as possible for you. We want you to launch a professional looking website, but we want to do all the hard work for you. We understand running a business is stressful, but perhaps these colors and this font and this text just doesn't quite work for you. So let's go ahead and click on update section. And over here, I'm going to click on update image. I can browse through my device and choose one of my images. Perhaps you have a really great image of all your students dancing at one of their rehearsals. Go ahead and upload it here. Otherwise, we can go ahead and search through a photo library that has hundreds of images that look really professional. They're completely free to use, royalty free, no licenses needed. Okay, so you can change different terms to see what works for you. So let's put in ballet and see what there is and just see what works for you in your business. Okay, I like that one. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one, say select photo and save my image selection and close. And look at that. That looks really, really awesome. I'm happy with this. And again, if you want to change the text, perhaps that pre-written copy just doesn't work for you, you can click on update content and change the title and subtitle. This button over here, it can be completely changed. So perhaps you don't want it to say get in touch. Let's say contact us and choose a link. So our buttons can link to various other places. We can link to another website or a different part of our actual multi-sites websites or an action like click to call or click to email. Another great option is you can upload a PDF file. So if they click on the button, it will directly take them to the PDF file you've uploaded. So that is a great place to upload your dance school rates, the different styles of dance you offer. You can pop it all in a PDF file and upload it here. Great. So I'm going to go ahead and close that and click save and close this. Really, really happy with it. It's looking really awesome. Again, another section, perhaps this pre-written copy just doesn't work for you. You don't quite offer jazz or ballet. Go ahead and click on update section and amend it to suit your needs as well as the business. Over here, we've got an awesome update section. Perhaps you were established in 1998, so go ahead and write an awesome write-up of how you got started as a dance school, with the year you launched, and update your image here by clicking on update section. Right, so that's another image that's really suitable, professional looking, not amateurish at all, free to use, royalty free. However, if you do have one of your dance school, you can go ahead and update section and upload your image over here. Okay, services, what we offer section. Over here, you can put in the different classes you offer. Perhaps you offer hip hop classes, ballroom, but not jazz classes. So feel free to amend it and the image over here from the library or from your device. Okay, we've reached the last section on our Mighty Sites website. This is our form on how to get in touch with you. And a lot of people are asking us when our potential customers and leads fill this in, how will I know they filled it in? Where does their message go? And that is a really great question. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll to the top and say stop editing and click on site dashboard. And I'm going to show you right over here. You will get notified via email when you get a lead through that form, and you can as well find it in the site dashboard over here under leads. Another frequent question we get asked at Mighty Sites is, can I link my custom domain? We understand you want a professional looking website, and with a professional website comes a custom domain. We all for it. So yes, you can absolutely link your custom domain. You can go ahead and connect it here. We have some YouTube tutorials on how to do that and blog posts over at www.mightysites.com. But if you're still struggling, you don't know how to link it, you're not so tech savvy, that's completely okay. You can add Mighty Sites as a user and we will do all the hard work for you. We will connect your domain for you. So there you have it. I've literally launched a dance school website really quickly. It's really affordable, only $9 a month. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you think of the service, any improvements we can make, any features you want us to add. I really wish you and your business mighty success.